Today, we'll be assembling this Mini Cooper. Ferrari, it's not part of the video, but it does have flashing lights. And doors open, but we're not worried about that. We're going to be building a car. Alright, here we go. We will be starting with the doors. Do you see them? Oh, is it stuck or something? Actually, we'll do that later. Let's start with the body. Okay, now the doors. There we go. Oh wait, but before we put on the doors, we must screw on the body. I don't know which screw. Probably these. Small one. Oh my god. Alright. So let's screw the rest of this car with my DeWalt screw. Let's screw the other one in this battery holder. Now let's put in the batteries and the battery cap. It's no good. Here guys, so you can see it. And this. You probably can't see it. Now we'll get the screw for that. Oh, where's the screw? Oh, here are my screws. We don't want to lose these kids. These are very important. I think these is for these. It's pretty hard to do this without a cameraman. Soon this channel will upgrade, and I will have one. There we have it. Now the doors, the most challenging part. You gotta look very carefully when you do this. Okay. Must see where it goes. Think. Oh, there we go. And there we have it. But in order to do this, we must take off the body. Well, you know what I should have done? I should have did it all in order. I didn't know there was an order till this video. Anyway, this is a channel in progress, so if you'd subscribe, this would be great. Alright. So let's screw on the doors. You see how I did that? Next door. Where's my other door? There we go. Let's screw on the screw here. Where did my screw go? There it is. Alright. We are almost done, guys. Now time to add the body. Okay. Time to use my D-welt. Always right to tighten and the left to loose. Uh-oh. We're almost done with this car, guys. And if you're asking where are the headlights, they broke, so couldn't put them on because it would look bad and then wouldn't look so professional. Alright, just gotta look for my other screw. Nope, I installed that so wrong. Ooh, this is hard. Alright. It's now time for the batteries, and then we'll be done. Alright, here we go, the car. And, please subscribe. And, thanks for watching.